Hopefully that fan's not too loud. Sorry, Sydney. It's very humid in this shop. Guys, today I am finally gonna try to figure out why the hell I have number 7 staying open. Okay, first off, I need to take all the wiring back out, and then I'm probably gonna go ahead and start removing some, like this is the wiper motor. I'll remove that and take the wipers off and then get that all out. I'm not gonna use them. And then either make a huge hole down here or just run the wires through here and try to go inside the cab and then go ahead and take the dash out and get all the HVAC stuff out. But I'm hoping I don't have to buy a new PCM, because if that's the issue, I'm gonna have to take the HP tuner and then re-upload the VATs, or technically take the VATs off the other PCM. Like, I gotta buy another PCM obviously, but I hope that's not the case. I hope I have a grounding that's staying grounded. But enough rambling, let's go ahead and try to get these wirings out, because it's a pain in the ass, because this stuff is shoved in there, man. Okay guys, as you can see, I got it out. Kind of stuck to get out. Now I need to figure out which wire is for injector 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up a schematic and figure this out. Alright, so it looks like, where'd it go? Right here. Number 43, hope you guys, I don't think you can, but number 43, red and black LT fuel injector. Number 7, it shows right there. Easiest thing for me to do is to run it up here a little, cut it, and wire it straight to this one right here, and then go from there with the Noid lights. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go inside, grab the new set of Noid lights I just bought for this project, and then let's hope that's the issue. I really hope it's a wiring issue right here. Because I'll just go through it, make sure everything's not, you know, shitty looking like this, and go from there. Alrighty, so I got the jumper wire here going straight to the ground on this side. This side should just have 12 volts like it should, and now I should be able to just plug in the ECU, take my Mac Tool Noid light. If you guys want to get a set of these, I don't know how often you're gonna use them, to be honest. If you want to, ET3055D, you can get a set. It's like 95 bucks. Honestly, you can probably get this off like eBay or something for a lot cheaper. But hey, Mac guy lets you make, you know, payments. So let's find out which one it is. GM. Is it this one? No, this one. I think that's the one. GM PFI. I think it's that one. Let's find out. So all you do, make sure it fits, and you slide it right in like so. Now I'll hook up the ECM or PCM, and let's hope to God it doesn't light up, because that's the main issue here. Alright, so ECM, PCM is all hooked up. Jumper wire is still not touching anything else. Let's hope to gosh that light does not turn on when you give it power, because I'm gonna be a little bit upset. And I got no power. Where's my power? Maybe it has power. Maybe I'm just losing. Sweet. The freaking battery's dead. Huh, of course it is. I guess now I'll just charge the battery for about 10-20 minutes. I'm gonna clean up the shop. Oh, look at that little 6.2. Oh, you guys didn't think I'd just stick with the 5.3, did ya? Twin turbo and an LS3. So I'm gonna clean up the shop while the battery charges. Oh, so anticlimactic, am I right? Alright, well the fuel pump kicked on, but it won't stay on. So, now, shouldn't I see it flash? Alright, couple things I've noticed. I'm a dumbass. I thought this one was the ground, and from that one, this is injector 7. That's 7. This is 5, dumbass. Went to 5, moved that over there. That one's got ground, and then I saw the off run voltage was pulled out somehow, so I need to either rewire it into something here, but I put that to power here. So I still don't think that the fuel pump is kicking on or not, which kind of sucks. But guys, okay, you should see the Noid light flash. I think that fucking works, boys. Fuck yeah, we're back in business. So I just revved it up. I got nothing over here, nothing here. Everything's looking good, guys. Now I just gotta do some rewiring work. Gotta put that to 12 volts, and I gotta just put this back to the ground. That should just work just fine now. And then cut a hole open, but that's gonna be in tomorrow's video. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. Guys, Fox Body content back at you. Peace out.